Good morning children, welcome again. In this video, we will do the question number 7. The question is, Ruchi and Prashant are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 each one. On 1st April 2016, their capital were 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Respectively means 50,000 before, then 40,000, then 50,000 of Ruchi and 40,000 of Prashant. During the year ended 31st March 17, the profit of the year amounted to 57,500 before taking into consideration of the following. Before these adjustment, the profit is this. Interest on capital is to be allowed 5% per annum. Ruchi will get commission 2% on sale and sales for the year. Prashant will get a salary. Then first we will adjustment. Interest on capital is to be allowed 5% per annum. First we will make the calculation. Question number 7. Then interest on capital. Interest on capital. Then Ruchi and Prashant. Capital 50,000 and 40,000. Then 50,000 and 40,000 and rate of interest on capital is given in the question 5% per annum. So 5 upon 100 full year for full year because this is the opening capital and no additional capital and no drawing. 2500 and 2,000. Okay, interest on capital complete. Then second adjustment, Ruchi will get commission 2% on sale and sale for the year were rupees 1,25,000. First and 2 commission on sale 1,25,000 into 2% is equal to 2,500. Okay, then third adjustment, Prashant will get salary of rupees 250 per month. Salary is equals to 250 per month is equals to 250 into 12 is equals to 3,000 per year. Then fourth adjustment are Prashant is entitled to a rent of rupees 625 per month for the use of his premises by the firm. It means Prashant will receive 625 per month for the rent because his premises used by the firm. So rent of Prashant is equals to 625 into 12 month. 7,500. Okay, and the last 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to the general reserve. Prepare the P&L appropriation. Divisible profit, for the divisible profit we have to make P&L appropriation account. So P&L appropriation account first by P&L account. First of all we write P&L account, it means profit. Profit given in the question 57,500. We are writing in this in inner column because we have to less 7,500 of rent from this profit. Why? Because rent paid to partners is a charge of profit. Is a charge of profit, not an appropriation. rent of partners is charge of profit, not an appropriation item. Expenses which is charge of the profit, that will come in the P&L account, not in P&L appropriation account. Okay, it is a charge, so it will become in the P&L account. If it will become in the P&L account, so that is P&L account. If it is come in the P&L account, then profit will reduce. Definitely profit will reduce, because this is the expenses of the firm, and this minus in this 7 times 5,000, then profit will become 50,000 net profit, which is transferred from P&L to P&L appropriation account. Clear? Then adjustments are to interest on capital account. रुचि's प्रशांत इंटरेस्ट की कैलकुलेशन हम कर चुके हैं 2500 एंड 4500. आफ्टर दैट कमीशन ऑन सेल, टू कमीशन ऑन सेल. किसको मिल रहा है कमीशन ऑन सेल? रुचि's. यस, रुचि's कैपिटल is equals to 2500, which we calculate in working note. Then after that, salary to partners, salary, Prashant's capital. How much? 3,000, which we calculate here. Then the last adjustment is remain 10% of the divisible profit is transferred to general reserve. What is the divisible profit? Except the general reserve, all transactions are made in this account. Then these are totals minus these figure. Then fifth point in working note, divisible profit is equals to 50,000 minus 4,500 plus 2,500 plus 3,000. 50,000 minus 10,000 is equals to 40,000 is equals to divisible profit. General reserve 10%. Then 40,000 into 10% is equals to 4,000, which is we transfer to general reserve. To general reserve 4,000. Then all adjustments are completed. Then we will lastly the difference of this transfer to the partner's capital account, which is in the form of profit or loss, but there are profit. Share of profit 40,000 we already calculated. Then 40,000 minus 4,000 general reserve is equal to 36,000. Then Ruchi and Prashant, we were given the profit in the sharing ratio 3 each 1. 36,000 into 3/4, 36,000 into 1/4 is equals to 27,000. 9,000 multiplied by 3 and 9,000 multiplied by 1, 9,000. Last entry to share of profit, Ruchi's capital and Prashant capital. You have to write full words, capital. Okay. Then 27,000 and 9,000, 36,000. Total 50 and again 50. This question is complete. Okay, I hope you would be understand this the question. Okay, thank you.